Hello everyone, my name is Dennis and today we're gonna talk about how to find stock to invest in. And it is a very hard question because in 2019 I find maybe 5 stock to invest in, and you need to spend really lots of time to find your stock. I have my stock list and here you can find some interesting stock to buy CTL and some other stocks who grow more than for 100% and you can dig here and maybe you can find some interesting stock to buy. First of all, what you need to do is to find your own pattern that you feel comfortable to trade. For me, I have some kind of this pattern when the stock goes down and it is undervalued, and in the minimum point you have big volumes, and I always compare market capitalization to equity. I know that it is wrong, but I feel like I'm buying stock with some kind of discount, and the last one with this formation I bought ACB, and we have a downtrend for 7 or 8 months and a big volume here, and I think it will go up sometime, and the market cap is really a little bit higher than the equity, and I think it will be really hard to go lower than $2, and I believe in Canopy. You can check some most popular patterns like top losers, new low, oversold, most volatile, most active, downgrades, and I know lots of people who trade on top gainers and short on highs. The same strategy on new highs. You can short from $3, and this strategy will work in 80% of the time, because if we have a big volume or not a volume, big spike like here, and the guys who bought for $5, they need to go out from that stock, and it will go down because they are selling it here, and when you're selling the stock will go down. And in the second part of this video I will try to find stock to buy in real time. I didn't research it. We have stock only United States, and I definitely wouldn't gamble in such a FSL because it's like gambling, not actually trading, and we are trying to find something like this. We have a downtrend and there is no volume. I will save it for next if we couldn't find anything better. I wouldn't invest in oil, gas, equipments because I don't believe in. Actually, I traded a lot of VTI, and and then this time I don't want to invest in oil anymore. Sprint have some kind of this pattern, but I already have a video about Sprint, that's why it is not okay. Oil, oil, oil. Another oil. I think Clovis and College are good, but we miss time when we have to get on the train, because I think on my pattern I can buy like here for $5 and waiting for like 10 or 15, but to participate in Clovis Oncology right now, I think it's not really good idea. I don't invest in apparel stores, because it's like to invest in some crap. This is a good formation, but I already made a video about Onconova Therapeutics. It's look good, but it's oil, and I don't want to invest in oil. And we are already on a 101 stock. Carnival Corporation. Yes, I think we can research Carnival Corporation, because they have a low price to earning. Other companies like 20, 13, 51, 12, 25. I think it is like more than 20. They have low debt to equity, nice profit margin, they pay dividends. It's quite interesting, and we have some kind of channel here, and they break it right now. It is possible that we will go down a little bit and then go up, or we have a reversal here in October and we will go upper. If I will make a full review of this stock, it will get me like 4 hours. I wouldn't read a 10k form or 10q form. I will have a like short version of my research. We have 7 buy ratings with consensus price target 48. It's like 47, and hold. We have a really long-term negative trend here, like that, and it looks like it is not a bad time to buy that stock, because we have some good volumes here. It can go upper. 250 easy, or maybe 53. The chart looks nice. Growing dividend, and I like to invest in company who grow their dividends. Good future earnings with some kind of trend to grow, and it's nice. And they grow from like 3 billions to 6 billions. It's really nice. Dividend growth, earning growth. What else do you need? Insider ownership really high, 25%, but I think it's like for insider selling nothing. Yes, they have like major shareholder. Institutional ownership nice too, 77%, and we have some strange third quarter, but I think it is not a problem. And I really like to check the option for like 2020, 17, because if we will find like 100,000 options call for $60, it will be one more plus to buy. Nothing bad and nothing good here. I suggest you to research 10Q form and 10K form and decide it for you. Would you like to buy that stock or no? And I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to push like button and subscribe button. See you later. Bye bye.